Today the Tundra gets new taillights. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Today I've got a super short video for you guys, but one that's going to be super transformative for the Tundra, I want to say. Today we're going to be installing these AlphaRex Noah Series Prismatic LED taillights onto the Tundra, and I think this is really going to make the back end of this truck pop. Now I've decided to go with the AlphaRex Alpha Black colorway on these taillights. As you guys know, they're also available with a black red version and also a just regular black. I went with the Alpha Black because it has a nice smoked lens, which I think is going to look really good with the whole, black and white theme on this truck. Also, these lights are sequential, so we'll have a nice sequential turn signal, and they do have the activation light sequence when locking and unlocking the trunk, which should be pretty neat when, we're just out and about. It looks kind of neat. For the installation, this should take like 10-15 minutes. Should be super quick. My truck is equipped with a little bump switch for the tailgate, so we'll just have to switch that over. I'll show you guys how to do that. Super simple install on that, but without talking too much, let's get these guys on the truck and see what they look like. We will start by removing the passenger side taillight first. To do so, remove the two 10mm bolts holding the taillight onto the truck. Once we have the bolts out, we will remove the taillight. To do so, firmly pull the taillight straight back. You may hear a little click, but that's completely fine. Once we have the taillight off the truck, disconnect the main harness from the taillight itself, and using either a screwdriver or a pry tool, pop off all the little clips from the harness. Once we have the taillight completely loose, at this point we can go through and repeat the same process by reinstalling the AlphaRex one. Go through and add your little wire loom to the taillight, plug it in, and go ahead and just reconnect it into the cab. Once we have it pushed into the cab, go through and reuse the OEM 10mm bolts to tighten it down, and you are completely done on the passenger side. Now, if your truck is not equipped with the little bump on the tailgate button on the driver's side, you can repeat the exact same process on the driver's side. If your truck is equipped with the little bump on the OEM light, go through and remove the driver's side light, and then we'll switch over the little bump button onto the AlphaRex light. To do that, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two Phillips screw heads as shown here. Once we do that, go through and separate the little bump button and the little side bezel from the OE light and reinstall it onto the AlphaRex light by removing the little bezel from the AlphaRex light using the two Phillips screw heads. Once you've removed the AlphaRex little bezel, reinstall the OEM one on using the AlphaRex screws. And once you've done that, you're ready to reinstall this onto the driver's side of the truck. To do so, just reverse all the steps of removing it, and you are going to be good to go. Go through, get this nicely tightened. We're gonna see what these guys look like. There we go. Super simple install. And let's test them, make sure they work. Here we go, that's unlock. Our little light activation feature, that looks pretty neat. I like it. Ooh, fancy. Locking. Anyway, there we have it. Super simple install. I think that looks pretty dang killer. Really ties the back end together. Let's see with the cap closed. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it might be time for this cap to go now. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about the taillights. I'll try to throw up a bunch more footage up there. I'll take it out, get some video of this at night, during the day, just kind of all the different scenarios. But I really like the way this looks. Once I put them up next to the OEM ones, I wasn't quite sure, but this looks pretty killer. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Drop me a comment down below. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you.